When you feel sick, get a nagging pain, or notice some other irregularity in your body, where do you go to find out what's wrong? If you're like the majority of Canadians, the first place you turn to for advice is the internet.
My name is Brad Crocker. I'm a PhD candidate with a SSHRC-CGS scholarship here at McGill, and I study how people search for health information online.
The internet can be a great place for learning about health-related topics, but it can also be a minefield of inaccurate and misleading content. Some examples are websites for unproven diet supplements, bogus wellness techniques like detox cleanses, and especially amidst the recent pandemic, we've seen a surge of anti-vaccine messaging. Health misinformation undermines trust in doctors, it can promote dangerous and senseless behavior, and it ultimately diminishes the health and wellness of our communities. Since it's very challenging to eliminate misinformation from the internet, we must empower citizens to identify high-quality health information online for themselves, or in other words, improve what's called their e-health literacy.
In a recent scoping review we found the most widely used tool to assess e-health literacy right now is a self-report questionnaire to gauge how confident you are you can find good health information online. It's simple to administer, but that comes with some big limitations. Like, people often overestimate their abilities, especially when it comes to judging the accuracy of what they read online. As well, people aren't always consciously aware of the way they're behaving online. If you were faced with a list of all the posts you viewed and clicked on in the last year, do you think you could accurately recall exactly why you chose to select each post or what attracted you to click on it and read it in the first place? Thinking back to recall those things can be quite challenging. So to address limitations like that, my current research uses eye tracking.
Eye tracking involves a small infrared camera directed into the user's eyes to tell us where they're focusing on the screen. We're using this with 60 young adults to see exactly what they look at as they search the internet to find health information. After browsing, we interview participants while they watch a screen-recorded replay of their own eye tracking data, helping us to understand their thought processes at each step. This allows us to analyze things like how they select from a search results page, how they determine if a website is trustworthy, and how they verify or don't verify the information they find with other sources.
Our goals in this SSHRC-supported research are to find behaviors that consistently differ between those who access high versus low quality sources of health information online. These findings will help us to inform the creation of performance-based measures of e-health literacy that are based on people's demonstrated practical skill instead of just how confident they say they are in finding health information online.
Our findings will inform teaching and evaluation methods to help people make their health decision based on facts and less on falsehood.